Guys, this is a part 2 of playing on my phone. Today we're going to be playing cat game like we played yesterday. And I can't wait to play. Okay. Oh crap, that music is so loud. Have a meow. How this day, I guess it says. I don't know what it says. Dude, Okay, what in the world do I need? I don't know. What do I need to do for kitties? I don't know. Feed them? I don't think so. Look at them? I don't know. Look at my profile. I don't think I really like myself. I think I'm the worst player in cat game ever. No, I'm not the worst player in cat game ever because I have a whole lot of coins. I have a whole lot of coins. Collect milk. Collect rocks. Watch a video. I didn't even watch a video for that. What do you mean watch a video? That wasn't even a video. That was just, I just clicked on it and then boom. Hey, did we lose? Did Poppy Cats get deleted? Remember the mini game on Cat Game? I think it got deleted. Why? Because I couldn't find it. Blocky Cats, you're gonna do that one? Hey Nanny. Can I have some chocolate milk? Okay, guys. Hold on. Limited time offer. Why does that look so funny? Why is my favorite character on the limited time offer thing? I mean, look, he's over there, and then there's the things you get. What do you mean? What do I need in the shop? What's for the... Ah! When? I wish gems cost coins! Not real life money! I want 14,000 gems, but nope. You need to pay $99.99 for that. That's a penny less than $100.
Are you guys ready for me to fix you dinner?
French fries and hot dogs. So guys, I'm gonna be playing. Remember, this is part 2 of cat game. Dirty. I mean, this is actually part 1 of. This is part 1 of me playing cat game. Oh, do I really need to feed my cats? I knew it. Don't you dare say I need to. Okay, I need to feed Sweater. That's easy. I did give you 5. I gave you 6. It gives you 6 hearts because 3 plus 3 equals 6. Oh, look at them. Look at them.
You mean the frozen french fries?
I don't know. And milk.
Is that
I want the ones I always have.
the ones you always have? Well, we have both kinds. Sometimes I make them by hand, sometimes I have them. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm. That what? What's okay?
The french fries?
What? Yeah. Guys, don't you just love videos of me playing cat game? I think this is like my second one posted. I think for the whole video I'm gonna play the cat game. I don't know. It's just I'm sorry. I'm obsessed with kitties. I just like kitties a lot. When I like kitties, what's wrong about me liking kitties? When you make me cry like a baby. When you make me cry. Just joking. What? How did that? That is huge. Your face isn't. Your entire face is sunbathed. Just joking. Or is that true? Okay, I only have my score 33. Oh crap, I need to do it. Warning. If you're a 3-year-old, I recommend not watching this. If you're a 3-year-old, you cannot watch this video because I say words like crap and stuff. Yeah, I say crap. And I'm sorry, but you can watch this if you're like a 6-year-old. Right, Lulai? You can only watch this video if you're a 6-year-old, right, Lulai? Or older, since I say stuff like crap and I guess that's it. I don't know. I say lots of stuff. No, not. That is not my score. What do you mean 198? That scared me. Guys, would you like to see my profile? Daddy! Well, don't yell. Don't get it. Okay, you know what? Chicken nuggets off! Okay, whatever the word you want. I think it's chicken nuggets off. Wow, I am the worst player ever. Dude, where am I? Dude, where in the world am I? Oh, there I am. There I am. There's me. Look, guys, it's my profile. Does anything look wrong with it? No, really. Maybe dark might be a bit suspicious. Oh! Did he just come out of the ground? Oh crap. Yeah, do you remember Ruby and Barney? Mm-hmm. I'm watching them. I also remember watching Diana and Rana. You mean Diana? Yeah. I hope I get a cat. Yes, a cat. What is it? I got Smush Face. Look. Look, he's like a toy. No. A toy. Nope. Glasses are broken. Do you have a Dan? Do you on the ground. On Rip Not Real.
Okay.
Sad face. I've never had a cabal. Why are people typing in the chat stuff? Ew. Dude! Are you spamming ew in the chat right now? Are you spamming ew? No, dude doesn't even know how to spell. Some person is in the chat that doesn't know how to spell, I think. Ah, crap. So it speaks a completely different language, I think. Dude, they're level 6. Dude. Dude owns 31 cats. How many do I own? How many do I own? That means how many do I have? What the? Okay, so look at my coins. 57,747. That's one cat. So that's how many coins I have. And I have 31 cats. 2 more than you.
But here, on 37, you have the dog.
I'm 37. 37.
Are you done making this fries yet?
Are you done making this fries yet? Guys, do you want me to stop recording? Do you really want me to? Nah, I won't stop recording for you guys. I will not stop recording yet. Why is my screen black? I did not want to go to the event. No, I'm not playing your mini game on the event. Ew, kids. Hey, someone just said ew, kids in the chat.
Can you run in there and get your glass?
Someone said ew, kids.
I have to go out and get some.
Dude, what?
Don't go near the stove.
Do these people who hate kids?
Have stuff on the stove. Don't go near the stove.
I think some of these people don't really like kids. Joke's on you, I'm broke. You don't even know how to spell you right. It's Y-O-U, not just the letter U. It's not just that. It's Y-O-U. That's how you spell you, okay? Get it! No way. Dude, I wish I hate these messages that people are saying. Someone has the name Barbie on Cat Game. That's a babyish name. That's a baby name. It's going down. Guys, do you really want me to still keep playing? Guys, where's my record button? Oh, there you guys. There it is.